all about consistency, right? We like a reliable and dependable car, not in New York as much, but in other places, we like a reliable and dependable car to get us around. Or we would like a reliable and dependable subway system, correct? Yes. So there's a good way to think about it, is how accurate, how consistent the subway system is in getting you from one place to another. That's one way to think about it. So your dependability comes from, all right, if somebody from the outside and looked at your qualitative study and would go through and do the same analysis, would they get the same results as you did? And that's how you know you have dependable results. Or somebody outside your study can verify, yes, this has accurately and consistently measured my experience or captured my experience. Same with reliability, about being consistent. Does it consistently capture the same thing over and over and over again? All of your interviews pretty much say the same thing. Then confirmability. Basically, this looks at, well, did you address issues of bias? And in quantitative studies, this is about objectivity, because every researcher comes in with their own bias. In qualitative research, your bias comes from your own individual identity. You know, when I was interviewing nurses in Mexico, I am the outsider supreme. You know, I don't look like I'm particularly from Mexico. I do get Spain on occasion, but I'm there, I'm the outsider. I'm known that I come from the neighbor to the north, which, you know, people have their own opinions about. It was also during the Bush era, so it was not as easy to be traveling abroad. And so I'm down there, I'm this outsider. I have this outsider identity, and I'm collecting data. And so there's an issue of that, as what are my biases in terms of my identity as an outsider when I'm talking to these particular nurses. Now, we did share a common element of identity, which was that I was a nurse. I could talk about patients, I could share stories, we could relate on that level. So that helped me establish rapport to get the information that I needed